Hello all of you. Well, as promised, here is the second task and on a video. Unfortunately, my laptop can't record video of what I'm doing, so you just get it like this. The sound will be a lot better when you're on your own laptops and listening with headphones. So well done those who did it last time, and thank you for all the work you sent to me. If you had completed it, I marked it. Or I returned it to you with some guidance if you didn't quite get there. For those who found it difficult, here's all we had to do. So here was the task that I gave you. It sounded like this. And all you needed to do was click on each track, find the little arrow and extend it out a little bit further than that. Just do it quickly now. And as far as you wanted, and then it just played over and over again. Obviously we need to be able to do this because a song is going to be longer than the first 4 seconds. Some of you found this loop button, and I've heard that's where you can find your own music and drag your own stuff in. We'll do that next time, I think. So what we're going to do this time is learn to cut what we've done, and so we can change the texture and energy in a piece. Okay, so we've got a drum track. We have a bass track, which you probably won't be able to hear very well. And a guitar track, which gives a hint that this is a kind of Spanishy Latin feel. Just a little bit of percussion here. And if we put that all together, then it sounds like this, and you'll recognize the vocal when it comes in. Okay, so there's quite a lot of noise going on in that one. So what we want to do is try and cut it up a bit. So start with the energy fairly low, build the energy up, and maybe make it die away again. Now to do this looping stuff that you learned how to do last time is too long. So we're going to now cut it into bits, then you can get rid of bits. The way to do this is, can you see this little arrow here? If you click there, it takes it to that point, and this is like a cursor here. So if we click on there, and that button says slice at playhead, this is the playhead, so that's going to slice it. Okay, so can you see this bit here right at the beginning? If I press delete, I can now just get rid of the drums. So what we're going to do is, first of all, go through the song and get rid of as much as we can. Now we're going to leave the vocal completely alone. It's just these 4 lines of instrumental. So if you can press shift and do 3 at a time like that, and instead of clicking on there, you can just press S for slice. So can you see there, it's all just sliced up into small bits. Then we do it again there, highlight the tracks using the shift button, and S, and again. Now, it's going to take you a few minutes to go all the way along the song. You can see here, let's get rid of that message. You can see here that I've made it go quite a bit further this time, up to number 32. But let's, just for the point of this, let's just do this one. So say I just want to start my song with a little bit of this cabasa sound. That's this one. I'll get rid of that. and that, and I might want the guitar to come in with the singing. So if I do that, if I go right back to the beginning now, here's the percussion start, and then you can see here's the voice coming in. Actually try and, there we go. The guitars come in, and now everything else. So once we've done all this, it's a matter of really just finding the pattern that you want it to look like. So maybe the next bit, so we've got one instrument there, two instruments there, maybe let's try 3 instruments there, get rid of that one, 4 there, and then start to cut it back down. There we go. So now I've got my complete remix from the beginning.
Havana, half of my heart is in Havana, he took me back to East Atlanta, all of my heart is in Havana, there's something about his manners, Havana.
Okay, so that's really what you need to do, and spend a little bit of time, go through the whole piece up as far as number 32, and just first of all see if you can slice these up into 2-bar sections, and then just get rid of any ones you want to get rid of and change the sound of it throughout. See if you can get an idea of it building up and then dying down through the whole verse. As an extension, if you find that really easy, or you just want to get really into it and want to carry on, I've got down here some sound effects that you can just kind of whack in wherever you want. So here's the first one. Here's the second one. And here's the third one. Okay, so you can slide them around, move them around. You can copy and paste them. You can loop them how we did before. So let's try that one there, and as it dies away down here, let's put that one there. So now this is the extension bit, is to add the sound effects at different points. Okay, let's unsolo that. Don't forget to unsolo things. Okay, so the S, remember there, makes it just that track plays by itself. We did that last time. And the M means it cuts out that track. There we go. There's that effect coming in. New effect with everything else. All of my heart is in Havana. There's something about his manners. Havana, how you doing? There we go. So, just to summarize, so what we're doing here is we've already got the looped out tracks of all the music to go with the vocal. You've got the vocal here, and so your task is first of all to be cutting it up into 2-bar sections by using the slice tool. So you put that cursor there where you want to slice, and you click on the track. I'll show you again a bit further along just to remind you. So if I want to cut it there, if I want to get it there, click on the bit before it, highlight the track before it, press S, and there you you can see that that one's been highlighted, and you can get rid of it. Maybe just get rid of that section. There we go. Okay, so that's the first bit, is to slice it into 2-bar sections and then cut out just by deleting the ones that you want to. You can copy and paste things if you want to. Say you wanted to put a third one of these along here. I've got that little bit that I've selected, just the one. It's the usual, Control C to copy, and I want to put it there. So there we go, just placed it there, put another one in. Okay, so it's now got 3 in a row. And there we go. Good luck, enjoy this one. I'm giving you 2 weeks to do this task, and it'll be the usual way to submit it when you've done. do feel free to ask questions. I'm always working in the week and will reply to any questions you send me. Thank you very much, and well done for last week.